Hello, Mr. Astitwa.
Yes, father.
How are you?
I'm fine, father.
Good. Astitwa, first of all, do you want to give any message to your subscribers? To the
So
viewers?
please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Sharp English Academy YouTube channel.
Good. So, Astitwa, first of all, please tell me in which school do you study?
I study in Sanskrit School.
And who is the principal of your school?
The principal of my school is Mrs. Susma ma'am.
And can you tell me the name of your school's father?
The father of my school is Father Matthew Joseph.
Father Matthew
Matthew
Joseph.
Joseph.
How many students are there in your class?
There, my class, there are 38 students in my class.
And which section do you study?
I study in B section.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become an IPS officer.
Good. Good luck for your bright future. Hello friends, and it is 31st August and it is also Raksha Bandhan day today, and I have little time with my son. Hope you would like this video, and in this video I am going to have a little conversation with my son. I will ask some questions to him and he will reply you in English. So
Thank you.
good. So now I want to tell you, please tell me what date is it today?
Today is 31st August
31st August. And which year?
2023.
2023. And which festival we are celebrating today?
We are celebrating today Raksha Bandhan.
Now please come on the court and sit there. Please come on the court and sit there. Sit properly. Okay. What is the color of your t-shirt?
This is a dark blue.
Dark blue color. What is this?
This is a Rakhi.
So who tied you Rakhi?
My sister tied me Rakhi.
Please tell me the name of your sisters.
My sister names are Ravi, Sweta, Radhika, Lakshmi, Henu, Deshi.
Good. So you have many sisters. All tied you Rakhi. So please tell me what is this?
This is a wrist.
और बांधने को क्या बोलते हैं राखी बांधना?
Tie.
Tie the Rakhi. Okay. Did you give any money to your sisters when they tied you Rakhi?
Yes.
How much money did you pay?
1,000.
You paid 1,000. You are telling lie. I think you are telling lie. Yes or no? Yes. You should not tell a lie. Okay. Tell me who is he?
He's my brother.
What is the name of that boy?
My brother name is King.
Himag Singh. And when does your birthday come?
His birthday come on.
His.
His birthday come on 2nd July.
2nd July. How old is he?
He is old to 1 year.
1 year old. Did you celebrate his birthday?
Yes.
Where did you celebrate his birthday? In Kochi or in village?
Village.
What is he eating? Oh my God. He is eating stones, small stones. What is color of my kurta?
White.
White color. Okay. Please tell me which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
Art. Art. Okay. And what is this?
this is a mic.
This is a mic. Who's shooting our video?
Radhika.
Radhika is shooting our video. Where does Radhika live?
Nandgaon.
Complete answer.
She lives in Nandgaon.
She lives at Nandagaon. Okay. When does your birthday come?
My birthday comes on 14 November.
Which other day do we celebrate on 14 November?
We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November.
Do you celebrate both Children's Day and birthday? Okay. How old will you turn on your coming birthday?
8.
You will be
8.
8 years. Do you know my birthday? When does my birthday come?
Yes.
Please tell me.
Yours birthday come on 8 August.
On 8 August. So can you tell me what did we do special on this 8 August? Where do we celebrate 8 August?
Our Sharp English Academy.
Sharp English Academy. Did you go there?
Yes.
Did you go there? Okay. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
What did you do there?
I will do many things and play my toys. I will do many things.
Just a minute. Yes, please tell me. How did you celebrate 8 August at Sharp English Academy?
We celebrate with gifts.
Did you play any game?
Yes.
Which game you play?
Map. I will.
Learn how to assemble the map of the space. Right. Okay, tell me which your favorite game?
My favorite game is solve the map.
And do you like enjoying outdoor games or indoor games?
Outdoor.